right, in this review, we are talking about story structure and characters. So, story structure, that's our plot of the story. Beginning, middle, and end. And you'll look at the roller coaster at the beginning, the middle, and the end. The beginning of the story is the first part. It's the start. Tell me what's going on. This is where I learn everything, who my characters are, what my setting is. That's where I'm learning a lot about what the book is. The middle, usually when we get a problem, something that might need to be solved, or a change in the way that you thought the book was going to go. And then we have our end. Our end is where everything is wrapped up nicely. We know how the book ends. We know why things are the way that they are in the book. Characters. Characters are who the story is about. Characters can be people. They can be animals. They could be robots. There's all sorts of different types of characters. The main thing that we need to know about characters is who the story is about, right? If you're reading a story, you've got something that the book is about. So is it about people or animals? That is what your book is going to be about. And those are your characters when you ask who the book is about.